Hello! So today we're making those quesadillas. Like I said, we were going to, I just seen the lines. I keep forgetting that I have to wait a few minutes for my camera to warm up. But I've got my chicken and my beef separated because tomorrow I'm gonna make pot pies. Don't worry, I'm gonna film it. And yeah, okay. So I have my meat separated. I have half for quesadillas and I have half for pot pie tomorrow. So let's just head into the kitchen and get us started. Okay, so as you can see, chicken and beef. So I just got, this is just stewing beef. If you want, use whatever beef you use what you got, right? Use leftovers. And then I've got chicken thighs here. And I just got done work, so we're using a pack of taco seasoning. Sometimes, you know, it's okay to spend the $1 to give yourself a little bit of a little break. Now, here you can see I got some pinto beans. I'm gonna make some refried beans to go with this. I'm just going to take half of the package for meat, or for the chicken, and half for the beef. It's okay. So we're just going to mix these up. And all I'm going to do with these are just cook them until they are fully cooked. Just want to make sure these are nicely coated. And this is the stuff I couldn't remember the name, so I remember they changed it. Ben's Original. I'm going to use the Mexican style because that's one I have downstairs. Can I make that? Yes. Do I want to have some convenience? Yes. Okay, so give me 1 second. We'll be right back. Okay, so I have my pans nicely heated up. We're just going to drop stewing beef in one and then the chicken in the other one. And we will be back once they're all cooked up, because this won't take overly long. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because these are big pieces of meat, right? You can't put big pieces of meat in a quesadilla. Oh, my water is almost boiling for my rice. So what I'm going to do is, now that it's a little more cooked, it'll be a little easier for me to dice this up. So that is what I'm going to do here. We're just going to chop this all up. Okay, be right back. Okay, so it's all nicely chopped up. This will fit much easier in a quesadilla. Okay. So let's get this back in the frying pan. I'm just going to finish cooking that off because it wasn't quite done yet. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the chicken, but I got to wash this off. So we'll be back with the next step. Okay, so I'm hoping you're going to be able to see everything I'm doing because I need to keep maneuvering the camera. Now I'm just getting mine made up here. So I've got a wrap in here. I'm going to put some cheese in. Maybe a little more than that. And I think I'm going to have chicken. I'm going to put some chicken in there. I am going to add, I need a spoon. I'm actually going to add my avocado right in here because I want it warmed up. Just like I put my salsa in here too, but my salsa is really watery. So all it would do is just make a horrible, horrible mess. I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take another wrap. Now I think you guys can still see my plate here. And I'm going to put some refried beans on there because I think some refried beans will go really good on that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, and there she is. She's all done. I'm sorry I had to turn the camera off. Okay, sorry, I had to turn the camera off because when my husband gets home, the dog starts barking like crazy. So until she stops, I don't film because it's annoying. Okay, but anyway, there's my quesadilla. Slightly burnt, but that's okay. Rice is done. Gonna eat some dinner. Everybody's gonna make up their own. I have everything made. Everyone can make up their own. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye.